Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix display black and white on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and click on eye comfort and sleep and turn off bed mode. After turn off bed mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on display and brightness and click on screen color mode. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off color adjustment. After turn off color adjustment, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, click on display and brightness and turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Reset all settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After you click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix display black and white on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.